So guys, Gary here, Cruiser Classic Cars and Hot Rods with William with his 1966 Shelby. Just awesome build. Hey, what can you tell us about it?
Well, it's a 66 GT350 tribute car.
Nice.
Used all Shelby stuff in the build.
Okay.
Correct red oxide underneath, you can see by the photos.
Oh, let's take a look.
Use the sump.
Oh, nice.
The deep oil Cobra oil pan in the build. It's a 302, 350 horsepower, 330 over, so a 306.
Roller motor?
No, not a roller motor.
Okay.
Anyway, the dual exhaust, all the paint markings are on the car. If you look at the pictures, I don't know if you can see them in the back, the drive shaft has the correct markings, all the body markings around.
Oh, those photos are nice. The red oxide, man, that tells a true dedication of detail. That's
absolutely,
awesome.
Absolutely.
You know?
It follows through underneath the hood as well, with the entire Shelby setup in terms of the engine.
Oh,
correct
nice.
Shelby intake, correct Shelby carburetor.
Wow.
You know, obviously the 289 for the year, very correct.
Yep.
We have the correct paint marks on the car up here as well.
Okay.
There was a ton of attention to the detail to make sure it was as correct as possible with all the markings and the parts that we used to build. Correct Shelby package tray. Correct racing lap belts.
Okay.
Correct wood steel. Correct tack. Shelby America mags. Correct mags.
Yeah, look at that. And the decals with the GT350 on it. You know what I like too. What I noticed, attention to detail and reliability. It looks like you did all new wiring harness.
Correct, all the way through. This car was a rotisserie done down to bare metal. There's no. We started with actually, which is very hard to find.
Yeah.
A rust-free Mustang.
Yeah.
So
it is hard to find a Mustang that's not rusted, right?
That's a fact. And that being the case, it made it a lot easier. So it brought it down to bare metal, and you can look at the fit and finish on the car.
It really is beautiful.
It's a really nice one. And this car was not done lately.
Okay.
This car was actually started in 2010 and finished in 2013.
Oh, wow.
And it's been pretty much stored since then. 1,400 miles on it since the build.
Oh man, somebody's going to get a beauty.
And this is the way it still shows today. There's no checking it. It's stored properly, done properly.
Correct.
So that's what we have. Hopefully somebody will take this one home with them.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. And how's it run?
It runs and drives marvelously. I was driving it 2 days ago.
When you mention it's only original once, and you got all original body panels on this thing.
Correct.
I didn't. Mine is. It's all new
patchwork quilt. So to speak.
Yep. So, but it needed it. I call it a rescue restoration because it really needed to be rescued.
Fair enough. Correct pony interior. Gauges, everything on this car works as it should.
Nice.
The correct package shelf, Shelby package shelf in the spare.
And I like what you did. I was just going to say, I like what you did here.
Yeah, correct plexiglass windows.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
beautiful.
And you know, $500,000 less.
Yeah, exactly. Well, thank you so much for sharing. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much for your interest.
Thank you.
Yep.